Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 5 of the title series that I'm doing. We're going to make the one you're seeing on the screen right now. I want to mention I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed, cannot use my hands. So it will be in the way a little bit. And I use a handicap controller, Sip and Puff. You may hear me sip on it from time to time. I do try to edit it out, but I can't get it all out all the time. So those two things being said, we'll go and get started. Start out with the background node. This time we're not going to turn the alpha down. We're going to leave it up. This one's going to have a textured background. You'll be able to do the four corner or horizontal, vertical, or gradient. And we're going to have gradient with the text as well. Grab a text plus node. Merge it into the background. Put a default text in. I recommend staying with Open Sans, like I said in the past videos, because if you use a font that did not come in the computer and you change computers for whatever reason and no longer have that font, this preset will not work, because we are going to make a macro at the end and you'll be able to reuse it. With the text node selected still, get a transform off the toolbar. Go up here to size, change it to 1.5. When we get to the modifiers, I made a little cheat sheet here, make it a little quicker so I don't have to try to remember all this. Select the transform, shift spacebar, DVE. With the DVE selected, we have nothing going on right now. Go up here to the Z move, right click, modify width, anim curves. Now we made this little modifier here. Select it. And this is where our values come into play. Scale is 50. The offset is 0.8. So what we have going right now. And the time scale 4. And it's backwards. So select invert. Depending on how fast you want this to come in, this time scale, if we reduce that number, it'll come in slower. Right now, it's set to fully come in at 40 frames. I'm on a 30 FPS. If you want it to come in later, just reduce this number here on the time scale. Now it's 50 frames. I'll give it a play, see how it looks. These controls will be in the inspector. We're going to add them to the macro. I'm going to set it back to 4. If you look in the DVE, you can see the Z move. If you play it, you can see it slide and go back and forth. Let's add a drop shadow to this. Select the text node, shift spacebar, and drop shadow. By default, I'm going to turn the strength all the way down so it's not visible. But you have all the controls once again in the inspector. Okay, select the text node. Go to shading. Go to gradient. Down here on mapping level, change it from character to word. So we're going to add the gradient, like I said. We're going to add this as well. Okay, we'll go ahead and make the macro. Select them in the order that I do. First one I select will be at the top of the inspector. Last one will be at the bottom. With nothing selected, hold the control button down. And hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. Deselect the media out. We do not want that one. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go for the macro. Create macro. Give it a name. I called my text Reveal 5. If you don't already know, if you don't know what to select in the macro, whatever you're working on in the macro, select that node. And over here in the inspector, it'll show you everything you need. Okay, follow along. You don't have to add the emphasis if you don't want. I do just to have the option. The center is for your coordinates, wherever you want to place it. Up, down, left, or right. For example, with the text node selected, and then gradient. Start with opacity, work our way down. We don't need all of them though. You will be able to make it transparent as well and put a different background in. Go to Anim Curves. We'll select the DVE node. Go to Modifier. We need Scale, Offset, and Time Offset. And we can modify it. Background. This is going to give us our textured background. I'll select all these all the way down. Drop shadow. You can add the colors if you like. I'm not going to. Go over to File, save as group. It takes your macros. Go to Fusion, Templates, Edit, Titles. This is where you can make your own folder. And save. Close your macro out. Click away so no nodes are selected, so you don't lose your project. Go to Edit page, we'll go find it. This one's mine. Okay, I'll go over some of the controls. Get your appearance. Line thickness. Go to gradient. Down here to type, go to four corner. You can adjust the amount of red. At the very bottom, we got the drop shadow. You want to make the text look like it's lifting off the background. Got a gradient background. Click anywhere on these points, put different colors in. You go to solid color for the background. Here's where you can adjust how fast it comes in. Here's where you can add a texture to it. If you change the color to black, you turn the alpha all the way down, it'll be transparent now. Got quite a bit going on with this one. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.